Lay versus lie. Common errors and simple strategies to master them. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today we're going to tackle a confusing pair of words. Lay and lie. They sound similar and even have related meanings, which can cause a lot of confusion. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be able to use them correctly and confidently. First, let's understand the basic difference. Lay is a transitive verb, which means it requires an object. When you lay something, you're placing it down. For example, I lay the book on the table. On the other hand, lie is an intransitive verb, meaning it does not take an object. You use lie when you or something reclines or rests in a flat position. For example, I lie down on the bed. So, remember, you lay something down, but you lie down yourself. Many people mix up lay and lie when it comes to their past tenses. The past tense of lay is laid, and the past tense of lie is lay. Confused? Yes, the past tense of lie is the same as the base form of lay. But once you understand this, it becomes easier. For example, people might say, I lay the book on the table yesterday. But the correct sentence should be, I laid the book on the table yesterday. Similarly, a common mistake would be, I laid down on the bed. The correct sentence should be, I lay down on the bed. Here are some tips to keep these straight. 1. Remember the rhyme. You lay something down, and people lie down by themselves. This can help you remember which verb to use. 2. Past tense can be tricky. Remember that laid is the past tense for lay, and lay is the past tense for lie. 3. Visualize. Think of the A in lay and laid standing for a thing, an object, which you need when you use lay. That wraps up our session on lay versus lie. With these simple strategies and understanding, you can avoid the common mistakes that many English learners make. So, remember, you lay an object down and you lie down yourself. And the past tense? You laid something down and you lay down yourself. Practice these, and soon it will become second nature. Happy learning! And we'll see you in our next video, where we'll continue exploring confusing English words and how to master them.